The tech world is buzzing, and for good reason. Fresh leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 have hit the internet, and they point toward the most ambitious upgrade to this pocket-sized powerhouse yet. If you've been following DJI's Osmo Pocket lineup since its 2018 debut, you know how groundbreaking the concept was. A handheld, 3-axis stabilized gimbal camera small enough to slip into your jeans, yet powerful enough to shoot cinematic footage. But the Osmo Pocket 4 leaks suggest DJI isn't just refining its product. They're completely reimagining it with a massive sensor upgrade and stabilization tech so advanced it could rival professional rigs. For vloggers, travelers, filmmakers, and anyone who loves buttery smooth handheld shots, this is shaping up to be a dream device. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video we're going deep, from leaked specs to expected features, from design tweaks to stabilization breakthroughs, and from pricing speculation to potential release timelines. By the end, you'll know exactly why this leak is making waves and why the Osmo Pocket 4 might become the ultimate all-in-one camera for 2025. Before we dissect the latest leak, it's worth remembering how we got here. The original Osmo Pocket made waves in 2018 with its 1/2.3-inch sensor, mechanical gimbal stabilization, and compact build. In an era when most people relied on smartphones for video, DJI gave creators a purpose-built cinematic tool that fit in a coat pocket. Then came the Osmo Pocket 2 in 2020, boosting the sensor to 1/1.7 inches, improving autofocus, adding better microphones, and introducing more accessories. It was a hit, but still had limitations in low light and dynamic range. Fast forward to Osmo Pocket 3 in 2023, DJI took a giant leap with a 1-inch sensor, a large rotating touchscreen, and improved tracking features. It brought professional-grade video to the palm of your hand, but at a price point and size that kept it accessible. Now, according to leaks, the Osmo Pocket 4 is set to obliterate those limitations with a new sensor, next-gen stabilization, and pro-level features never before seen in this category. The biggest headline from the leaks? A new 1.33-inch stacked CMOS sensor, the largest ever in an Osmo Pocket. If true, this is monumental. Here's why. More light, more detail. A bigger sensor means more surface area to capture light. That translates to better low-light performance, cleaner shadows, and richer colors. Shallow depth of field. While the Osmo Pocket series has always favored deep focus for vloggers, a bigger sensor allows for more natural background blur without sacrificing sharpness. Faster readout speeds. A stacked sensor architecture means less rolling shutter and faster frame rates, potentially enabling 4K 240 frames per second slow motion or even 6K recording. HDR video like never before. Expect 14+ stops of dynamic range, giving footage that true cinematic contrast. If this leak is accurate, we're talking about a sensor on par with high-end compact cameras like the Sony RX100 series, but with DJI's legendary stabilization baked in. DJI has always relied on 3-axis mechanical gimbals for the Osmo Pocket line. This gives it a huge edge over smartphones that depend solely on electronic stabilization. But the leak suggests a hybrid system, mechanical gimbal plus AI-assisted EIS, for even smoother results. Imagine walking down cobblestone streets at night with no micro jitters. Filming from a